Hi guys, today we're having mystery shoe box unboxing, so let's watch the video. Let's see what we got. I don't know, can you see me good? Ooh, let's find out. We have a little paper, which by the way is good to reuse all the tissue paper if you can. I wish they didn't put all those stickers right in like middle, because then I have to cut off kind of straight line and a lot of paper is wasted. Don't want to waste no paper. Those look cute. They look like duck boots, but I think they're just some like a cheaper version. They look brand new though. So it's size 11, like a duck boots with shirling. No, it's like a fleece lined plaid. What is the brand? Can't see. I don't think it's anything special. I mean, they don't look bad, but just fab. So not all that fancy, but they are brand new, and it is the right season for them. I mean, they are brand new with stickers, so it's okay. I'll probably take them to a local thrift store. I mean, local consignment, or try to sell them at Play-Dohs or something like that. Even though I could sell it probably for like 20, just because it's season now. Next, boots. Those look well made. I've seen this brand a lot of times, but I never really buy it or sell it. Rocket Dog, but they do look like good winter boots. They're like shirling lined. Can't tell what size it is, but they look not very much worn and look clean. I can't see the size. Well, let's see, maybe I'll find the other one. And also I can't find the size, so great. But they look like maybe size 7.5. So we'll see about those. I have to look up the comps. I do not know this brand either. Looks like faux leather C label. They're cute and definitely, you know, trendy, but there's few marks on it. I don't think it's real leather. They're cute, but again, not something I would sell. Do you know this brand C label? I don't. Let me see if I have second one. This is such a mess. I don't know. I can't find it. I'll probably have it. That never happened to me. But they have two. Okay, there is the second. Okay, next, what is this? Little sandals. Sandal Island. I don't really know this brand. Fines Island wear. They're size 8. They look pretty well made, but I would have to look up comps for it. And it comes with a little bag, so that's pretty good. We'll see what they are. Next we have Adidas, just casual sneakers, size 9. They're genuine suede and they're pretty lilac color. Not too much wear, but a little bit dirt here and there, but they look almost like they were worn maybe once or twice. So those I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do. Those are some cute little shoes, genuine leather, I think. Can it call a reaction? No, it's man-made. But they look super comfy. little sandals, slip on. We'll see about those. Chemicals sometimes is pretty good because they're expensive normally, but I don't really buy too often. Oh, those are nice, and they're padded, genuine leather and suede, espadrille wedges. Garnet Hill, made in Italy. Yeah, I like this brand. Their cashmere sells really good for me. I never tried shoes, but they sure look well made. Genuine leather inside and outside. So, and size, no size. We'll have to figure it out. What do we have next? We have this little funky sandal, like a bronze color, with little like metal. They're slip-on, New York Transit. I don't really know. I don't buy this brand, but yeah, now we have it. So I'm gonna have to find out something about it. They are cute. I don't know what size they are. I know that's probably why they selling them. No size, gee. We'll check the other one. Oh, there's the other one. And no size. Alright, we're gonna have to figure it out later. Next shoe is Guess. Thong sandals. I never buy Guess. Although I know it used to be worth something. The lining is cracked a little bit, so those are probably gonna be just donate. Next, Colhan, like little Oxfords. They have few marks, but they might come off. They look like just the rubber, you know. They have genuine leather heel, size 8, genuine leather upper and the lining, so that might be pretty good. What else? Nine West, chunky heel, like what is this? Like looks like curtain, brocade, I don't know. The mask, I don't know what this to call it, but they're probably newer style. They look pretty good. Inside, I think they're genuine leather inside, and they have like a non-slip. So that's not something I would pick up, but we'll have to deal with it now. So far, not so great. I guess those were pretty good. And the Colham. Next, we have Converse and Carhartt. So like a collab. I don't know how this collab does. Some collaborations can be pretty good, and Converse can be pretty good depending on style. So they're just like a tan, which is good color now, like a brown tan color. It's very popular. So maybe they will do okay. Let's see what's next. Next we have Sperry again. Ugh, I don't like selling the brand. Why they keep sending it to me? Size 8. Yeah. I don't think I'll be selling it myself. I'll clean them up and maybe take them to some kind of consignment, or maybe sell in a bundle. What is this one? Please be good something. Oh, they're fried boots, genuine leather, and they look not too bad. A little bit signs of wear, and the size. I have zip side, size 10. I don't know if they're men's or women's, but those should look pretty good. Finally something decent. And I have the last pair, and this is UGG sandals, genuine leather, and there's calf hair. So UGG is really good for boots. I don't know how it is for sandals. They're 7.5, so not too bad. They're cute. Like if they're my size, I would keep them. And they don't have too much wear. And they have like a little espadrille detail here. So those are not bad. So my thoughts on this is learn your lesson. It's not too bad. I mean, I think between the UGG sandals and some other shoes, I'll be, you know, making profit. It is not my favorite because I like to know what I'm getting. So I don't like surprises. Those are cute too, so we'll see. But it is fun. Last time I got a little bit better, I think, but it might be okay. So have you ever tried one of those boxes? Let me know in the comments and what you thought about those. And please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks. Bye.